Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Moves. My name is Alexandros and I break down salsa and bachata moves, but unfortunately the past half plus year, I'm not breaking down any moves. Some of you might know our HD camera broke and we're trying through donations to gather up some money to buy the new HD. If you'd like to help through PayPal, it's very safe. It's the first link in the description, and we can go only back to the old system that the channel first started, where our students every month when they film the move, I'm going to try out of 4 or 5 people that are filming, get the videos, find the best quality and upload it. The thing is, I'm just going to be showing the move fast or with music, so at least you can still have content coming your way, but I will not be breaking it down because that's in the class at the end, which we already learned the move. So if you like to support, please go find the first link in the description for salsa and bachata moves to get forward and go back to analytics.
2, 3, 5, 6, open. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. That's the salsa.